Herc got the juice. Herc got the juice.
I'm so focused and shit, I ain't stopping. My goals written down, now I'm plotting. They're lurking on my page, keep watching. My foot is on the gas, full throttle. I got my eyes on the prize and Messiah. The only higher power I desire. Well, hello there, beautiful people. I know, it's been a minute. It has been over a year and a half since I posted a video pertaining to my hair. The last video that I posted was in June of 2021. Oh my God. But anyway, y'all, I apologize, but y'all, making YouTube videos is different from just posting on TikTok or Instagram or something like that. It takes a lot of dedication to film a video, edit a video, and then post that video up. That's time. And my money doesn't come from YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, okay? So when I post, I have to do it accordingly to my schedule. Right now I have some free time, so I decided to post this video. So sit back, relax, watch me do my hair, and I'm gonna go over some questions that I have been receiving over the years pertaining to my hair. How long have I been growing my locks? As of January 26, 2023, I have been growing my locks for 2.5 years. So 2.5 years is what you see right now. Who maintains my hair? Me. As y'all can see right now, I do my own wash, my own reties, my own styling. I do my own hair. Do I do other people's hair? No, I do not. First and foremost, it's a challenge for me to do my own hair because this is a process. It takes a lot of time. How often do I wash my hair? It all depends. It depends on two things. One, depending on how much I go to the gym and sweat. And two, it depends on my job. If you guys do not know, I'm in a construction field. So if it's dirt, debris, it just depends on the elements on the outside. If it gets in my hair, it depends on how often I may wash my hair. But I'm not washing my hair once a week. How often do I retie my hair? In the beginning, when I first got my locks, within the first 6 months to a year, I was probably doing a retie every month, every 4 weeks, every 4 to 5 weeks, I was retying my hair. But now that I'm a little seasoned with Sisterlocks, I may not retie my hair for almost 8 weeks, sometimes maybe 7 to 8 weeks. And then even then, I may just do the front of my hair. So basically every 6 to 8 weeks, I'll retie the front of my hair. And then every 3 months, I'll do the back of my head. So basically, I only retie my full head maybe 4 times out the year. Of course, if there's an event or somewhere I want to go and I need my hair to look a little nicer and neater, I will then proceed to probably retie it a bit sooner. But other than that, I don't. It doesn't. Honestly, I like it when it looks a little rough and rugged, okay? In this particular video right here, I haven't done the back of my hair since probably the last week of August. And I remember because I had a function that I was going to for Labor Day weekend. So that's what made me retighten my whole head. What products do I use on my hair? I used to use Cantu and mix it with water and spritz it on my hair, but I don't do that any longer. What I do now is I mix oils together, and I have to make a video on the oils that I use on my hair. And I also started making my own shampoo bars. And I also have to do a video on what ingredients I use to make my shampoo bars. Because honestly, those two things that I switched up in my routine has had my hair growing like crazy. And when styling my edges, I'll use the green Eco Styler. That's the olive oil one. And every morning, I'll spray water on my hair. I have a water bottle. It has a mister. So I'll mist some distilled water all over my head. How often do I style my hair? Not often. Usually you'll catch me in a high bun these days, or a pull back ponytail, or a half up, half down. Outside of that, I don't do too many styles unless I'm going somewhere. It's more convenient. I don't have time to think about how I want my hair. That's the whole purpose of me getting locks, just so I can wake up and go, pull it back in a ponytail, pull it up in a bun, and get out the door. What is my night and morning routine? So my night routine is simple. I don't do nothing. I just put a bonnet on and go to bed. My morning routine is a little different, but I mean, the only difference is I spritz my hair with water and I add oil to my hair. I add water every day, but I add oil at least every 3 days. What tool do I use to retighten my hair? As you guys can see right now, and on any other video, every video that I've posted, I've been using the same tool, which is a beater. It's a basic $1.99 or $1.99 beater from your local beauty supply store, okay? It is nothing special, nothing spectacular, but for me, it gets the job done. Maybe it may not work for you, but for me, I've been using it for the last 2.5 years, and it works perfect for me. I have about 10 of them on go in my drawer, okay? Do I have any regrets when it comes to my hair or my locks? Yeah, I have two. The first regret is that I didn't get them larger or the size that I have them right now in my head, and I had to combine them. I wish I would have known to let the person that installed my hair know to make them larger, a little larger, like this size that I have. So I wish I would have known that from the beginning. And the second regret is not getting them sooner. You know, it has been a life-changing experience for me. Okay? So no, those are the only two regrets, and those are not bad regrets. I just had to combine them myself to make them a little larger. And even though I didn't know what the hell I was doing when I combined my hair, it turned out really well in the end, okay? When you first get your locks done, whether they're Sisterlocks or regular traditional locks, you are going to have to trust the process. Trust the process, honey. I mean, it's not going to happen overnight. Your hair is not going to grow overnight. It's not going to thicken up overnight. You have to trust that process, okay? And let's just say I trust the process. Even when I didn't feel like, oh man, I don't feel pretty right now because I'm so used to getting extensions. I'm so used to wearing wigs, weaves, and other things. So just trusting that process. Honestly, I have not worn a wig in about almost 3 years. Almost 3 years, yeah. Because even before I got my Sisterlocks, I still wasn't wearing wigs. I was wearing extensions, but not like, I'll do natural hair extensions, but I wouldn't do wigs. So it's been about 3 years since I've had a wig in my head. Y'all know how much money I have saved since I've had these Sisterlocks? Oh my God. Especially by me maintaining my own hair too. My goodness. The only thing I buy is oils. And when I show you guys how I make my shampoo bars, I make enough of those and it lasts me almost a whole year. So I'm saving so much money. And the oils, I've been having these same oils since July? Yeah, since June or July, about 6 months now. So I'm saving so much money. And the only thing that I'm putting out is the time for me to do my own hair. So would I recommend locks, Sisterlocks, traditional locks, any locks? Most definitely I would. I think they're a game changer. They're a time saver, money saver. I feel like, especially if you learn how to maintain them yourself, you can save a lot of money and you can save a lot of time in trying to figure out what style you want to do in your hair. I don't even think about styles no more unless I'm trying to go somewhere. If I'm going out or then I think about, okay, well, how I want to style my hair. But on an everyday base, I wake up and just pull this shit back in a ponytail or pull it up right there in a high bun and be on by my damn day, okay? Less time trying to figure out what the hell I'm about to do to my hair. Do y'all know how much time I used to spend trying to figure out what I'm going to do to my hair? Oh, my gosh. Yes, I recommend these locks. Yes, they may seem a little expensive up front, but trust, you're going to save so much money in the long run. If you liked this video and you thought it was helpful, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, just don't say shit. Just keep it pushing, all right? Feel free to comment if it's positive. If not, once again, keep it fucking pushing. Y'all have a great day. Love y'all.